you going, guys? It's been pretty wet over the last couple of weeks in my local area. Bit of a break in the weather this morning, so I thought I'd come and run the pots for a couple of hours. So hang around and let's see how we go. So this is a nice big crab we just got in that last pot. He's not a real good quality crab though. He's well over the legal size for Queensland. He certainly, I'll be within my rights to take that crab, but I'll let him go because you can just see he's a bit lethargic. He hasn't got a lot of life in him, a lot of meat in him. He's just recently shed his shell. That's why he's got that nice clean color about him. So we'll put him back and we'll keep trying and see if we can get something a little bit better quality. That's a small undersized male, so we're going to let that one go. It's under 15 centimetres. Alright, so this crab here, it's another legal size buck. You can see the different in coloration from the one I let go a little bit earlier. It's a lot heavier crab to hold and it's a lot firmer to press on. So that's a good quality crab. That one will be definitely coming home with me. just picked the pots up. We'll just, it went a bit quiet along the bank where we were getting a couple. We'll just sneak over the other side here and have a quick go. As you can see, it's not the best of weather for making a video today. It's quite wet, but we'll give it another quick go.